What's up, soldiers? Chris here at CaribbeanPod.com. Always a pleasure having you guys here in the kitchen with me. An update. I don't know if you guys saw that post I made on Instagram, but your boy lost a battle with ice. Cat spraddle on the ground. Well, basically my knee and my hip is out of commission for a while. And this is why you haven't seen videos for the new year yet. I've just been one video all of 2022. I'm in pain and I'm dealing with with trying to rehabilitate myself. Quickly, I'm going to show you guys how to do a quick jerk chicken in the oven. Also, I'm going to do a little tribute to fans who've sent in pictures the last couple of weeks, maybe 2-3 weeks. We've had some pictures come in of stuff that you did. So a tribute to you, the fans. And yo, let's jump into it. Irie, more videos coming soon, man. More videos soon. Irie? Pretty simple. I've got a bowl and I've got the stuff you get at the grocery store in the bottles, and that's about 2.5 tablespoons. Now the one I have here is very spicy. That is a spicy jerk seasoning or jerk marinade. Into the bowl. Now we're gonna kick things up a little bit, my style. We've done this before. I'm just running through it again. We need a tablespoon of olive oil. Now you can personalize this any which way you like. It's totally up to you. Brown sugar. If you want to use honey, you can certainly use honey. I've got some scallions. Yeah. If you want to add some light soy sauce in there, if you want to add some more allspice in there, if it's not spicy, if it's something that's not spicy enough for you, you can add some more Scotch bonnet pepper in here. What I like doing in here as well too is sometimes I add apple juice. Today I'm not going with the apple juice. We're gonna go with clementines. The juice of 3 clementines, just to thin it down a little bit. Just slice it up, add the juice to there. If you want to add the juice to of a lime or a lemon, I actually will add the juice of a lime as well. But for now, we're just squeezing that directly in there. That will give it a nice citrus note, and you know, it's a great way to support the products that's being made out there for our convenience. I mean, you got to find one that you like, which I did. If you don't have clementines, if you have mandarins, if you have orange, if you just have plain old orange juice from a package, you can certainly rock that out as well. Totally up to you. We just want to give it that little citrus note, yeah? Just gonna push that aside. We're gonna grab the lime, hit him a little roly roll, and that roly roll means it's gonna juice a little bit easier for us. Or you could hit him a little 5 seconds in the microwave. Squeeze that in there, and then we're gonna give everything a thorough mix. And the last thing I like doing, 1 medium onion or 2 small onions, and you're gonna give it a fine dice. And that's gonna make its way into the bowl as well. That's gonna add some body to the gravy later on. Yeah, you get a nice gravy out of this as well. And ladies and gentlemen, this is not really a recipe per se. This is more about the update than anything else. We're going to give that a good mixy mix. It's still a bit too thick for my liking, so I'm going to go in with 1/4 cup of apple juice. If you don't have apple juice, you can use orange juice. It's totally up to you. So, you know, we got a nice little runny run now. And I've got my chicken already prepared. Let's clean this down for a quick second. Oops. I've got 2 whole chicken. Each one of them is probably about 2 or 3 pounds. Cut them in half. I took off more the excess fat, so the tail and all that stuff like that. You want that skin. And you want it light and dark meat, so we got the white meat there, the dark meat here. It's on my roasting tray. So now it's a matter of pouring that marinade all over the chicken, and we're gonna go on the underside as well. I'm gonna get my hands in there and we're gonna work that. And the sort of final thing I like doing is grabbing a couple pieces of that clementine that we used, just tuck it in between. That's gonna add some flavor as it roasts off. And speaking about flavor, I like some extra thyme in there. That thyme is gonna perfume everything. And the last thing I like doing, I've got these bird pepper or bird's eye chili, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to tuck it in as well. I've got about 6 of them. I'm gonna add a couple more. And that's gonna go into my oven uncovered. By putting the peppers like that, it means you will get a ton of flavor from it without the heat. Mind you, you're trying your best not to break it. Into the oven. Now, if you want, you can do this overnight. This is a quick little jerk chicken in the oven. So 400 degrees, middle rack uncovered. And 45 minutes later, yeah, I gave it an extra 15 minutes because I want to get the caramelization all on the top there. Pull it out of the oven and you're done. It's that simple. Yo, this wasn't about jerk chicken. This was more about the update. We've got some rice and peas happening over there. And then on the far side over here, we have a nice little coleslaw to go with that. I do hope you guys enjoy the little recipe. But again, it was more about the update. I'm still on the mend. There will be new videos coming out pretty soon. Stay tuned for that. And thank you so much for all the love and support over the years. And for those of you who sent in those pictures, keep sending them in. Yeah, I'm going to feature them in the videos. But look at that jerk chicken in the oven.